What if I told you I started painting later than I should have, but exactly when I needed to? Most people think artists are born early. I wasn't. I didn't start with a plan or a dream of fame or even confidence. I started with silence, a brush, and a lot of unfinished thoughts. Sometimes, in the middle of painting, right in the silence, with just the sound of the brush, my mind drifts back. I start thinking, what if I had started painting earlier? Maybe right now someone would be sitting across from me, holding a microphone, asking questions like, when did you realize painting was going to change your life? Maybe someone would be filming me, uploading it to YouTube with a title like, The Success Story of an Artist. But yeah, that's just a nice maybe. The truth is, it's never too late to start painting. I've been painting for a few years now, and only recently I thought, why am I waiting for someone else to introduce me? Who's supposed to know me better than I know myself? Really? So, let me do the introduction. This is you, and this is the greatest painter of the contemporary era, who, on a random Wednesday, on his rented apartment, decided to paint. If you've seen my work, you probably know that most of my subjects are women and freedom. These two show up in my paintings again and again. They're kind of tied together in my mind, maybe because I've had to fight for even the smallest freedoms myself. Anyway, somewhere in the middle of all this, I ate a lot of food, drank tea, because painting takes energy more than it looks like from the outside. Not physical energy, mental energy. Especially with watercolor, focus is everything. One small mistake, 1 second of distraction can ruin the entire piece. But that's exactly why I love it. It forces me to be here, not yesterday, not tomorrow, right now. So far, I think it's going well. I don't know. What do you think? And if you're still here, it probably means you like quiet stories, slow art, and honest process. I make videos like this, painting, thinking, and telling stories without filters. So, if that's your kind of space, consider subscribing. No pressure, just stay if it resonates.